I mean, this video is not #spawn. The Lion King, if you want to pay me, hit me up. What's up, Packers? It's Goldie. Guys, this video is all about one of my favorite movies of all time, The Lion King. A revamp of The Lion King is coming out. It's live action. The animals look so real. CGI has really stepped it up. I'm obsessed with it. But yeah, I remember the first time watching Lion King, I cried a little bit, not gonna lie, but it was really, really good. And it's just a classic. I just feel like Lion King is just like childhood, you know? Also, I have a very special announcement. We have a brand new show coming out on this channel. It's called Fast Forward Girls. So every week we introduce a girl to 2 women living their STEM dream jobs. She spends the day with both of them, but she can only choose one to be her mentor. You guys are gonna love it. Hit the bell so you don't miss it. All right, now let's go back to The Lion King. It's time to hack your world. First up, we have a yarn Zazu decoration. Look how cute he is. Let's hack it. For this DIY, you'll need cardstock, cardboard, Zazu, a metal circle, some yarn, glue, scissors, and tape. First, tape Zazu to the cardboard and trace it. Then carefully cut it out. Make sure to remove Zazu before you cut it, because you don't want to cut Zazu. Next, spread a little glue on your cardboard Zazu's beak, and then wrap your yarn around it. And then you just keep wrapping, and wrapping, and wrapping, and wrapping, and then applying glue, and then wrapping, and wrapping some more, and then applying some more glue, and then wrapping. I think you guys got the technique. This takes a long time. But once you get the technique down, it's pretty easy. But I went with the classic Zazu colors. You guys can do whatever you want. You can make them pink, or you can make them purple. I don't know. Just go wild. And you guys don't have to make Zazu. You can make whatever character you like Simba. Sorry. No offense. Cut out some cardstock eyeballs and decorate them with a marker. Then cut out a tiny piece for the upper beak. Glue the cardstock face features to your yarn Zazu. Oh my gosh, look at him. He's never looked better. Next, wrap up the metal circle. I made mine super cute with multicolored yarn. Now cut up some cardstock and roll it up so Zazu has somewhere to stand. What is he gonna do? Fly all day? Not on my watch. Wrap the cardstock tube and attach it to the circle with yarn. I hope you're not sick of yarn. Glue Zazu in place and you're done. And if you want to hang it up, you can add some yarn to the top. I'm gonna hang mine up right now. Right here. So school is, it's sneaking up on us. It's a little far away, but it's closer than you think. So you gotta get ready. You're gonna get some new fits, you're gonna get some new school supplies, but you're gonna decorate your locker. And have I got a decoration for you? Oh, that's upside down. And have I got a decoration for you? For this DIY, you'll need a magnet, tan polymer clay, craft carving tools, a ruler, glue, and tan paint. First, make a cute little Simba out of polymer clay. Lightly carve in a face and other accents. Bake your clay in the oven according to the package instructions. And make sure your parents know you guys are making this. Please don't burn your house down, guys. Please. Once it's done, take it out of the oven. And it low-key looks like a cookie, so don't let your little siblings eat it. Just be safe. Once Simba has cooled off, glue the magnet to the back. Then paint over the grooves for emphasis. Did you guys know that polymer clay isn't actually clay? Like, you literally cannot find it in nature because it's man-made. That's all chemicals, baby. And that's why it's so perfect for sculpting, because it's alive. Last but not least, we have a Nala squishy. This is perfect for really intense or sad scenes in the movie, like when, okay, wait. I don't wanna have spoilers, but can you even have spoilers for a movie that's 25 years old? Does that exist? Maybe for the younger generation. So I won't tell you. But it's perfect because you can just squish to your heart's content. It's great. Great stress toy. Let's hack it. For this DIY, you'll need a foam cube, scissors, thermal color changing pigment, and acrylic paint. First, carve out the shape of a lion head from the foam cube. Next, mix the thermal powder with white and brown paint to achieve the perfect shade of Nala. Next, paint your squishy and let it dry. I know it's super tempting to squish it when it's not dry yet, but trust me, it is worth the wait. Look at that little face. That is it. Now Nala is ready to be squished. So in the movie, Beyonce is voicing Nala. I'm in love with Beyonce. From the beginning of me on this channel, I have said I loved Beyonce. Unfortunately, I couldn't like get her to sing, you know, Beyonce when you squish it. But like comment down below if you could do that. And the coolest part of this squishy is that it actually like reacts with the heat of your hands. Because of the thermal powder, it literally turns white when you hold it. I don't think the camera's picking it up, but when I've been holding it this whole time, you see this has been like completely white. So yeah, when I was mixing like the color with white and brown paint, I didn't think it was gonna work, but I'm like so psyched that it did. Okay, that is it. I hope you guys are super psyched for the movie, just like me. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do not miss the debut of Fast Forward Girls. It has ice cream, it has animals, it has Karina Garcia. So don't miss it. Comment down below what your favorite hack was. Also, what is your favorite Lion King character? Okay, that is it. GoldieBlox signing off.